Well, greetings, everybody. Here we are up here at the railroad tracks, and on this Wednesday morning, and we got a train coming from the north, and of course that would make him headed south. And I can hear him. He's on down the tracks just a little ways down there. He'll appear momentarily. And there goes the crossing. Just came on, so he's just right down the way. There's the horn. There it comes, right there. BNSF, southbound, coming through Valley North. Not going very fast. He probably has to. Well, probably slowing down. He probably has to stop out there around Pat and let an oncoming train get around him. Normally they come blasting through here. Long train running. I see the end coming up here. He's really slowing down. He's gonna stop. All right, and that is that. Y'all have a good Wednesday, and thanks for watching the video, folks. See you on the next one. So long, everybody.